Right, what I'm going to do now is show you how to waterproof your cloth jackets. That's your army jackets, ventile jackets, fishing jackets maybe, and an old Gore-Tex jacket as well. So first of all, what you need to do is fill up your spray bottle like that. Yep, we're going to spray it on. Very easy to do, very simple. And then there's me fabsil there. Fabsil Gold Silicone Waterproofer. There you go. And then get your victim jacket. There it is. I got a ventile jacket there, single layered. And what I've done is I've put it through the washing machine to make it nice and clean, and dried it, of course. I'm gonna let it dry, and have ways and means to hang it up like this. And what I've done also is I've done that zip up there. Not that that's important really, but I've actually undone these toggles here so there's no material riveled up, so you don't miss any bits. Same with on the bottom there. Undone these toggles, and I've undone these cinching bits, this Velcro here on the wrists. So you could do that to start off with. Now what I'm going to do is take this jacket off and hang it up with one hand to do the hood first. So I'll do that. And what I've done is also rolled my sleeves up, because this fabsil is smelly old stuff, mind. So you don't want to get it on your nice clothes and stuff. So roll your sleeves up, I suppose, or put an old jacket on if it's cold. So you've got to be a bit sort of ambidextrous as well. Got to use both hands. There you go. Dead easy really. It's a lot easier than waxing actually. Try and get it all over. Don't miss any bits. Try and open it up. There we go. I think that might be it for the hood. Oh, let's get it in my other hand in. I'll do a bit on the shoulders as well, just to cover it while I can. I suppose I could use one hand. Right, that'll do for that. Right, I've done the hood, as you can see, and do the rest of it now. Just spray it on like that. Easy as anything. Got to do it left-handed, I'm afraid. Unless you could work it another way. Not hard though, is it? Just spray it on like that. Try not to miss any parts. and turn it round and just finish it off on the other side. Now you can judge for yourself how far the bottle is away from the material. Just you can easy to work it out yourself. I think mine is about 4 inches away, but I mean you can work that out yourself, can't you? That's done under there. So you got folds like this you want to watch you don't miss. On the other side, just make sure I don't miss anything. And it's as easy as that, really. Just finish it off. Dead easy. Yeah, I've missed a little bit there, like. It's so easy to miss bits as well. There you go. Now at the start I filled this bottle up to about this level here, and this bottle is, this spray bottle is a 1 litre capacity, so you can imagine how much I've used just with one jacket. It's well under half a litre. So and that tin I bought that tin is about 5 litres, so well, it is 5 litres, so I could do 10 jackets with that tin actually. So there you go. I'll give you an idea how much I've used anyway, just on one jacket. And there's a few I've done. There you go. I've just done that one. So I just want to say, now this fabsil stuff is really smelly, okay? So once you've sprayed your jacket, don't put it in the house to dry, okay? It'll stink the house out and your wife will go mad. I'm telling him that now. So what you want to do if it's winter, just stick it in the garage or in the shed and leave it in there for about 4 or 5 days till it's mostly dry, and then you can stick it in the house then and it won't smell unless you put your nose close to it, and then when it's completely dry it won't smell at all. So I just want to say that. And I'm not going to do a waterproof test on these jackets. I've already done a video with that called M65 jacket waterproofed with fabsil, and I'll put it on the screen somewhere. And also, when you waterproof these cloth jackets like army jackets or ventile jackets, they're not going to hold, they're not going to be 100% waterproof. eventually the water's going to come through after about 2 hours hard rain roughly, or like 4 hours very light rain. So you know, don't get caught out. If you're going to go on the hills or some dangerous place, you need to wear a light Gore-Tex jacket like what I got on, a very light Gore-Tex, either underneath or over the top depending on the design of both jackets. And you know, because you've got to be safe. So there you go, that's all I want to say, except like, share, subscribe if you like, if you dare, and thanks for watching. Cheers.